Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome if you're new. My name is Kimmy and today we're going to clean our homes in 1 hour. Do y'all remember power hours? I used to love watching those and I found them super motivating. It was like a 15-minute video and then I got up and I started cleaning and I would set the timer and it just felt like I was playing a game instead of doing this mundane task that we have to do every day. So throw on this video, get up, clean with me, set your alarm for 1 hour and see how much you can get done. I would love to hear in the comments what all you got done in the hour. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this power hour clean with me. I've got laundry that needs to be folded. And the table is not too bad today, but it's still a little cluttered. I've got dishes that need to be put away. I've got a pan that needs to be cleaned. So just regular everyday cleaning, picking up, that's what we're doing. Let's get going.
You're all I ever wanted and more. I wanna level out, order something and stay in. Hide the phones and make believe the world don't exist.
Alright, so as I'm putting away the dishes, I wanted to tell y'all at the end of this video, I'm going to share a super healthy snack with you all for spring or any time of year with chickpeas. So if you are a lover of chickpeas, definitely stay tuned to the end of the video for that. Also, if you are new here and you like motivating videos like this, routines, cleaning, organizing, home decor, definitely subscribe. It's free and it would mean a lot to me as it helps my channel grow. And if you are returning, I would love for you to give this video a big thumbs up or leave a comment down below, and that helps get this video out to new people so our community can get larger and larger.
Driving me crazy for so long now, and my love for you is insane, but I wouldn't change a thing unless you wanted me to. I'd do anything, baby. You've been driving me crazy for so
I can't believe that you came into my life. You made me feel again. Now it's my turn. You say you've always been a little bit shy, but I can put an end to your fears. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within.
Aaron was sleeping during the filming of this video, so I was putting away some shoes, clearing off the floor to get ready to sweep. Normally I vacuum, but I ended up just picking up my broom, and y'all, I think it's good every now and then to pull out your broom and sweep and then just pick it up off the floor if you can, because there was a lot of things in the corners of the kitchen that my vacuum would just not get up, and I didn't even know that it was there until I went in with a broom. So never underestimate the power of a broom.
Show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. Did you take it away? Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you?
So I have been cleaning for about 20 minutes in this video. The kitchen is straightened up, and now I'm going to move on to the living room. I did want to share with y'all the essential oil I'm using in the diffuser is from Grove. It's called Unwind, and it's orange and chamomile oil. So now I'm in the living room. I'm just going to straighten up in here and fold that laundry, get it put away, and then we're going to make the healthy spring snack.
I'm looking up from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room.
Living room is straightened up. I would normally vacuum, but like I said earlier, Aaron is sleeping. So I've got 11 minutes left, but I'm going to go ahead and make this. I ended up going past my time, but you're going to need some chickpeas, paprika, garlic powder, cumin, cayenne, red pepper, and there was one I missed. Chili powder? Okay, so we are straining our chickpeas, and you can dispose of any of the outer skin if it falls off. I will have this recipe linked down below in the description box to give credit to the person that came up with this. So you're going to lay out the chickpeas and pat them dry, and then just let them dry completely before you go to either you can roast them in your oven, or you can air fry them in the air fryer. So I did air fry. So I've got this little air fryer liner. I sprayed 2 little spritz of cooking spray. I am going to put the chickpeas in the air fryer, and then you cook this on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, stirring every 10 minutes. And then while it's hot, you add the seasoning. And I'll let y'all know in just a second in person, all the other ideas she had in the recipe. This is just one of them. I like spicy things, so this is the one I wanted to do today. But once that is done, I'm going to stir it up and then put it back in the air fryer just for a few more minutes so that everything can kind of come together. And then I will do a taste test for y'all. Alright y'all, I just got done making this. It was super easy to make on the website, which I'll have the recipe linked down below so that y'all can, this is not credit to me, this is credit to the Pinterest person, but these look so good. And they have a little crunch to them on the outside, but then the inside is a little bit softer. And They were really nice. She had 3 different flavor options. You could do a sweet one with maple syrup and cinnamon. There was one with ranch ingredients. And then this one right here had the spices. It's not hot at all, but it just tastes like chili powder and paprika and garlic. Shouldn't be eating with my mouth open, but this is a great snack. I think if you love potato chips or anything savory and crunchy, you'll like these. I don't know how to explain them. It's not like a peanut, but similar. And if you've ever had the, I don't know if I have the package, but there's this tahini flavored corn, and it's just like fried corn. It kind of tastes like that, but 120 calories for half a cup, and there was 3.5 servings, and a serving is a half a cup. So you could eat this, you know, make it in bulk, split it up in little containers, and then you have a little snack that you can eat throughout the week. And it's got a good amount of protein and fat. It's got carbs, but it also has like 4 grams of fiber, so it's good for you. I love chickpeas, and I've made hummus before. I like eating chickpeas in salad, or like a chickpea salad. And now I got this. Oh my gosh, it kind of reminds me of actual green peas, like if you air fried green peas. I don't know if that's a thing, but I need to look up and see if it is. Anyways, my 1 hour is definitely up. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Let me know if you're going to try this recipe down below, if it's something that is interesting to you. And I'll see y'all back here on Monday for a spring morning routine. Bye!